The idea of PiNetwork having a global consensus value, GCV, of $314,159 per Pi is speculative. However, I can provide 30 theoretical reasons that could support such a valuation, assuming certain ideal conditions are met. These are not guarantees but rather hypothetical scenarios. 1 to 10, utility and demand. 1. Global adoption. Pi is used as a primary currency by billions of people worldwide. 2. Scarcity. Pi's circulating supply is limited after mainnet, creating scarcity. 3. Massive utility. Pi is widely used in e-commerce, remittances, and everyday transactions. 4. Decentralized apps, dApps. Pi becomes the backbone of decentralized apps, increasing demand. 5. Partnerships. Partnerships with major corporations enhance its value. 6. Global reserve currency. Pi becomes a global reserve digital currency. 7. Smart contract integration. Pi supports smart contracts, making it competitive with Ethereum. 8. High transaction speed. Pi offers faster and cheaper transactions than competitors like Bitcoin. 9. Unique ecosystem. The PiNetwork ecosystem becomes irreplaceable for various applications. 10. High liquidity. Pi is traded globally with high liquidity across major exchanges. 11 to 20. Community and governance. 11. Strong community. Over 50 million pioneers actively support and use Pi. 12th. Consensus trust. The community agrees on and upholds the GCV. 13th. Decentralized governance. Pi operates under a transparent and trusted governance system. 14th. Loyal user base. Pioneers hold and promote Pi instead of selling. 15. Network effects. The more people use Pi, the more valuable it becomes. 16th. Fair distribution. Mining ensures wide and fair distribution of coins. 17. Global accessibility. Pi is easily accessible to people in underserved regions. 18. Innovative tokenomics. Pi's deflationary model enhances its value over time. 19. Security. Pi's protocol proves to be highly secure, increasing trust. 20. Long-term vision. The Pi core team delivers on their roadmap. 21 to 30. Economic and technological impact. 21. Global remittances. Pi disrupts the remittance industry by reducing fees. 22nd. Digital economy. Pi drives the growth of the digital economy in developing nations. 23rd. Store of value. Pi is perceived as a digital gold alternative. 24. Cross-border transactions. Pi eliminates barriers in international trade. 25th. Innovation hub. Pi attracts developers to create groundbreaking dApps. 26. Energy efficiency. Pi's mining is far more energy efficient than Bitcoin. 27. Integration with AI IoT. Pi is used in AI and IoT applications. 28. Mainstream acceptance. Retailers and governments accept Pi as payment. 29th. Regulatory approval. Pi complies with regulations, increasing institutional trust. 30. Economic resilience. Pi retains value during global economic crises. These reasons assume perfect scenarios where Pi achieves significant adoption, utility, and innovation. However, whether such a price will materialize depends on real-world market dynamics, adoption, and trust. Until Pi is traded on exchanges, the GCV remains an ambitious projection by the community.